The Alamo rent-a-car class action lawsuit of 1991 was a landmark case that brought attention to the deceptive practices of the rental car industry. This lawsuit was filed against Alamo Rent-A-Car by a group of customers who claimed that the company had engaged in unfair business practices, specifically with respect to its pricing policies and fees. The lawsuit alleged that Alamo Rent-A-Car had been misleading customers by advertising low rental rates, only to charge them exorbitant fees and surcharges upon returning the vehicle. The plaintiffs argued that these hidden charges amounted to a breach of contract and false advertising. The class action lawsuit gained significant media attention and sparked public outrage. Many customers came forward with similar complaints against Alamo Rent-A-Car, alleging that they too had been subjected to deceptive pricing practices. The plaintiffs argued that the company's advertising misled them into believing that they were getting a good deal, only to face unexpected charges at the end of their rental period. This caused financial hardships for many customers who had budgeted their trip expenses based on the advertised rates. Alamo Rent. A car defended its pricing policies, arguing that the fees and charges were clearly disclosed in the rental agreement. The company claimed that it had fully complied with all legal requirements and that any misunderstandings were the result of customers' failure to read the fine print. However, the plaintiffs contended that the language used in the rental agreement was intentionally confusing and that the fees were not adequately disclosed. They argued that Alamo Rent-A-Car had intentionally designed its pricing structure to deceive customers and maximize profits. As the case progressed, evidence emerged to support the plaintiffs' claims. Former employees of Alamo Rent-A-Car testified that they were instructed to upsell customers on additional services and products, such as insurance and fuel packages, without clearly explaining the associated costs. These upselling tactics were allegedly a way for the company to generate additional revenue through hidden fees. The plaintiffs argued that this further demonstrated Alamo Rent-A-Car's intention to deceive customers and inflate their rental expenses. Ultimately, the court ruled in favor of the plaintiffs, concluding that Alamo Rent-A-Car had engaged in deceptive practices and violated consumer protection laws. The company was ordered to pay substantial damages to the affected customers, as well as fines for its unfair business practices. The lawsuit served as a precedent for future cases against rental car companies, leading to increased scrutiny of their pricing policies and fee structures.